Hello guys, today I am going to teach you how to play Roblox. So the first thing you're going to do is go up to the URL and look up roblox.com. Okay, so I'm already logged in, but if you don't have an account, you should be redirected to a Roblox login or sign up, which I'm going to teach you how to do. So to create your account, you're going to go to month and just put your birthday. I'm not going to put my actual birthday in there for obvious reasons. January 1st, 1926, like 99 years old. Seems pretty legit to me. Okay, and for the username, ROBLOX Kid 67289. Okay, that worked. And for the password, we'll put 1, and I'll leave this open for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 67, 76. See that, guys? So feel free to hack this account after you're done. And then you're going to select your gender and click sign up. Any second now. And now when you create your account, you're going to get this blindingly bright screen. It's not really that bad for me, but it's something that Bubble, or Goober, you may know him as Goober, but it's something that he absolutely freaks out when he sees you. He freaks out at light mode. So if you have a friend like that, just click on the little gear icon and go to settings. Now, I would recommend adding an email and phone, but I'm not going to do that on camera. I don't want to accidentally reveal my email. As you can see, you want to go down here and change this from light to dark mode. And there you go. You are no longer getting blinded. Next thing you want to do, after you've added your email and phone number, is you're going to want to set a unique character for yourself. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but being a bacon hair is looked down upon by many people. I don't really know exactly why people rip on default characters so much. That's okay. I'm not really going to go too much in depth on how to make a character. I'll just briefly show you how to do it. As you can see, just follow just what I'm doing. Okay, there's our character. Right there. There's our character. Kinda looks like the Jimmy Biss 4 account that I own. And now you're gonna go back up, and you're gonna go to home or charts. Which we call games. Don't call this charts, call it games. Because that's what they really are. It's not experience Roblox, it's not charts, they're games. Now just click any game that looks appealing to you, like a Hide and Seek Extreme, an absolute classic. It's one that I enjoy quite a lot, actually. So you're just gonna click play. Click play, and then it's going to say download Roblox to play millions of experiences, and you're just going to click download Roblox. Oh, that's new. Oh, okay. Okay, then you're going to get the Roblox installer.exe, and I've never seen that before. It was followed by a long I've never seen that before. Okay, you're just gonna right click and click open file. And it may take a few seconds to load, but that's alright. Okay, there we go. So now the Roblox, get back here. So now it's gonna say installing Roblox. So I'm going to pause the recorder and wait for this to install. Alright, you should now be loading into the Roblox player app. I skipped the recording the installment because I'm sure you don't want to spend like 3 minutes looking at Roblox installing. But after that, you should be launched into the Roblox player app. As you can see, I am right now. It's a little bit slow loading, but that's alright. And after it's started up, you should be right here at the game inside of the Roblox player app. Alright, so this is the Roblox player app. It's Roblox, but it's inside of the app instead of the website. And hey, take a look at that. Hide and Seek Extreme was it was updated on the 31st of January this year. That's pretty nice to see, actually. So anyway, if you can just click play, which is what I would do. Sometimes it takes a little bit to join. That's completely normal. As you can see, it's joining. We had the old Roblox mouse for a split second. I don't know why it does that. I don't know why they put that in there. If any of you guys know, let me know down in the comments below, because I am genuinely curious. Server, Cody Stuff has joined the game. Wait a minute. I'm not on the Cody Stuff account. Hang on, did it just put me in the... Oh, okay. That's a little bit strange. I wasn't using my main account. That's fine, though. That's fine. As you can see, it may take a second for everything to get loaded in. As you can see, it's only got golden hair right now. Okay, there we go. It has loaded in. I'm not really going to go too much into detail with Hide and Seek Extreme. But first, I'm going to teach you how to type. So just go right here, click on it, or tap on it, depending what you're on. And then I'll just say, "Hi, I'm Cody Stuff." Hit enter. Or you can hit this little button right here. And real quick, something I want to show you, a really cool trick, is you can just hit the space bar and then hit enter. Enter. I guess it doesn't work anymore. Batter's just real late getting up on the chat. Either way, let me show you the controls. Okay, now let me show you real quick. Okay, so hit W is to move up, S is to move down, A is to move right, D is to move... No, wait. A is to move left, D is to move right, and S is to move back, and space is jump, and right click and drag is to move the camera.